Hello everyone, and welcome back to my gardening and growing channel. I'm going to first give you an update on my zucchini that was attacked by the squash vine borer. It is completely dead, as you can see. So I'm going to replace it with a tomato I took from a sucker cutting from a tomato plant. Oh gosh, a number of weeks now. And so what I'm going to do with this dead squash, I'm going to make sure I go ahead and throw it in the trash, because just in case I missed any, squash vine borer larvae, or whatever you call them, slugs, caterpillars, grubs, whatever. I don't want them reproducing, so I'm going to go ahead and take it, throw it in the trash, not with the compost, but with the trash, so it doesn't come back. And I'm actually dig around the soil to see if I see any that have burrowed into the soil, because that is basically the life cycle of these. The little moth flies around, there's the egg on the stem, it hatches, burrows into the stem of your zucchini, it does its thing, eats through your plant, eventually kills it off, and then when the grub, whatever it is, gets big enough, burrows out, falls into the soil, overwinters, comes back in the spring again, emerges as that moth. So anyway, you want to make sure you trash these vines, these squash vines, just to make sure there's none inside the stem. Just a small update. Have my cucumbers completely dead from the cucumber beetles, so I am going to replace that with this sage that I started from seed. This was kind of weird. This sage, I kept trying to start it inside, and it wouldn't start. Put some seeds in a pot, put it outside, and they popped. So I'm not sure if it needs sunlight or not, but I'm pretty sure I started sage indoors before. So anyway, but I'm going to put this here, and then I'm going to finally put my asparagus in this string bean bed over here. As you can see, it's growing, it's pretty good, but just haven't had time, but it only took me a few minutes to put in. And what I'm going to use this fertilizer right here, this organic all-purpose fertilizer. The NPK is 640, and I think that'll be really good for this asparagus, because mainly what you're trying to do is get a lot of green growth, especially this first season. So I think that should be just fine. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Take care, everyone. Have a great day.